services of St John Ambulance. If you go along to Preston Street, they've got a caravan. It's parked in Preston Street at the junction of Lord Street. So that's St John Ambulance, who we're very thankful and pleased to have here today at this event. And just a further announcement that in fact Blackpool Football Club are giving a demonstration near the North Youth Hotel. The youth team and youth team coach plus 2 playing members are appearing this afternoon, ball skills and what have you. So if you're wanting their autographs, they'll sign them down there. That's the North Youth Hotel, and the free prize draw will in fact take place from Blackpool Football Club at 4 p.m. this afternoon. That's Blackpool Football Club near to the North Euston Hotel. If you're looking for the Honda Goldwing Club, that's the people with those very impressive motorcycles. They're giving a display by the Goldwing Club near to the Euston Park, near to the clock tower, or if you can hear us, would you report along there please to pick his mother and father up? That's John Loftus please, to the clock tower. And just to remind you that the very, very famous Fleetwood market is in fact open this afternoon, so if you wanted to have a look, see what bargains they've got, why not pop along there to the Fleetwood market. It will in fact be open all afternoon, plenty of bargains we're told, good quality bargains at Fleetwood market. You will find the exhibition most interesting. Would Mr. Taylor and his party meet his wife under the clock tower? That's Mr. Taylor, would you please meet your wife under the clock tower? So when you visited all parts of the Transport Festival, why not visit the Flower Festival at St Nicholas's Church? St Nicholas's is situated at the corner of Poulton Road and Broadway in Fleetwood. The Flower Festival is entitled Books Through the Ages. That's the Flower Festival at St Nicholas's Church, which is situated at the corner of Poulton Road and Broadway. If you go along to the Fair Street, the Lighthouse Post Office near Fleetwood Hospital, you will in fact hear the Wire Accordion Band. They will be playing throughout the afternoon. That's the Wire Accordion Band. IB, come back later on this week. We'll hang on to the promenade and see what's down there. If you fancy your chances at bar flying, that's bar flying. Please stay bar.
Easy, everything went right.
As new and bought it new from this
Smile.